Sporty two-door coupe, one owner with clean Carfax, smooth and efficient 2.4 LIVTEC four-cylinder automatic transmission, power moonroof, power driver's seat, deck-lid spoiler, 17 alloy wheels, projector beam headlamps, remote keyless entry, power windows, mirrors and door locks, maintenance minder system, front, side and side curtain airbags, vehicle stability assist, tire pressure monitor, and much more. This 2008 Honda Accord X Coupe is guaranteed to turn heads wherever you go. It's an undeniably gorgeous car, with sleek sporty lines, attractive 17 alloy wheels and an athletic stance. With looks like these, you'll just have to get used to the extra attention. The 2.4 LIVTEC four-cylinder delivers an impressive 190 horsepower. It has a racing-inspired double wishbone,